Free AI video generators are really hard to find nowadays, especially after most tools started going paid. And the truth is, everyone is searching for a free AI video generator right now. You might have seen a lot of alternatives, but most of them are limited, low quality, or just not worth it. But don't worry, after doing deep research, I've found the top 5 free AI video generators that are actually working right now.
Yeah, boy.
And with these tools, you can create unlimited AI videos with high-quality visuals and perfect soundtracks. Before we move forward, just take a look at these videos I created using these tools and see the quality for yourself.
Even in silence, beauty finds its voice.
All right, now let's get started. So the first tool I'm talking about is Grok AI. Yes, Grok AI is a free AI tool that allows you to generate high-quality AI videos with built-in soundtracks. It gives you daily free credits to generate videos. And here's the interesting part. If you ever run out of credits, I've got a simple trick for you. Just log out from your account, use a temporary email, create a new account, and you're ready to generate videos again. Simple as that. Now let's move to our second tool. The second tool is Grok AI. Grok AI is also a free AI tool which lets you create unlimited AI videos with perfect soundtrack, high-quality visuals, and without any watermark. And the best part is, there is no need to worry about credits or anything at all. But even if something happens, you can simply create another account using a temporary email and continue generating videos without any problem. Now let's move to the third tool. The third tool is Grok AI. Grok AI is another powerful free AI video generator that lets you create unlimited videos with great quality and smooth visuals. It also includes soundtracks, so your video feels complete and ready to use. Again, if you face any credit issues, you can use the same simple method and keep creating videos without stopping. Now let's move to the next tool. The fourth tool is Arena.ai. Arena.ai is a very interesting platform where you can create different types of AI videos.
Yeah, boy.
The quality is really good, the soundtrack is included, and even characters can speak realistic dialogues, so keep creating. Now before we finish, let me show you something next level. Our last tool and the final tool, Roboneo.ai. Roboneo is different from all the tools we've talked about. On this platform, you can access models that are actually paid in the market, but here you can use them for free. Yes, powerful models that normally require payment are available here, and that makes this tool a hidden gem for creators. You can even use Grok for free on this platform. So if you really want to create high-quality AI videos without spending money, this is something you should definitely try. So guys, these were the top 5 free AI video generators that are working right now. This is your chance to take advantage of these tools, create content, and grow faster. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Also, tell me which tool you are going to try first. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.